How to use OnePay at Walmart. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use OnePay at Walmart. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use OnePay at Walmart, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for OnePay and create a OneCash account. Step 2. Load any debit or credit card to your OnePay account. Step 3. To check out on walmart.com, set OnePay as your default payment method. Step 4. To check out in Walmart stores, open the One app and scan the QR code at the register. Step 5. To add a card from walmart.com, navigate to your Walmart wallet or checkout screen, select OnePay and enter your card details. Step 6. To add a card from the One app, go to the OnePay tab, tap the plus icon and enter your card details. So that's how you can use OnePay at Walmart. That's all for this video.